right. The whole purpose of having strong hips is so we can keep walking until we're 120. All right? So we're going to come up to stand and do a couple standing exercises. I want you to have something that you can hold on to. All right? So I'm going to hold on to the upright of the Cadillac, but you could grab a chair, hold on to the chair. You could grab onto your kitchen counter, you could grab onto the back of your couch, whatever you have, but I want you to hold on to something so that if you feel like you're going to teeter over, you can catch yourself. I don't want anyone falling. And if you don't feel ready for this, please don't do it, okay? Because this can get a little exciting when we're first getting back up on our feet if we've had some hip stuff going on. All right. So first thing we're going to do is just some regular old parallel squats. And this can turn into a lot of fun, but we're just going to do some basic stuff right now. So you're going to have your toes straight forward. So look down at your feet. You want all toes straight forward right now. Big toe, little toe, pressing down, heel, pressing down. You can put your hand on your hip. You can let your hand go down by your side. Ideally, you've got two hands on something. I'm going to grab onto this, all right? Here we go. I want you to reach energy out the crown of the head. Make yourself as tall as you can get. And now you're going to, whoop, stick your booty out the back window. And now you're going to, whoop, squeeze your booty and press it forward. Press down through your heels and shoot your energy up to the sky. All right, we're going to do that 10 times. Inhale, stick the butt out. And now exhale, squeeze the butt and shoot the head to the sky. Again, inhale, squat. Now check your knees out. Let's look down at them. Are they knocking together? Please don't do that. Big toes down, knees straight forward. Exhale, squeeze the tush and come up. That was 3. Inhale down, knees are straight forward, toes are straight forward. Exhale up. 4. Inhale down, and exhale, squeeze and lift. 5. Inhale, squat it down. Exhale, 6. Inhale, squat it down. Exhale, 7. Inhale, squat it down. Exhale, 8. Inhale down, and exhale, 9. Inhale down, and exhale, 10. That was so much fun. We're going to do 10 more, but in a little turnout. So look down at your feet and just turn them out a little bit. Doesn't have to be very big, all right? We're not going to be dancing with Bolshoi Ballet or the Kirov anytime soon, so just a little bit turned out here. Same thing, though. You want your heels down, the balls of the big toes down, pinky toes down, and when you bend, I want you to angle your knees towards your pinky toes. So be very careful that they don't drop together. This can cause knee problems while you're trying to fix your hip. Let's not do that. Here we go. Knees to the pinky toes, and same thing, stick your booty out. Now squeeze your booty and energy up to the sky, out through the crown of the head. Let's go again. Booty down, knees to the pinky toes, and squeeze the booty up. Make sure the fronts of your hips are nice and stretched out, so you don't want to leave your booty out the back window at all. Keep it up underneath you. And stick the butt out. And bring the butt forward. 3. Inhale down. Exhale up. 4. Inhale down. Exhale up. 5. And inhale, squat it down. Exhale, squeeze it forward. 6. Inhale down. Exhale, 7. We're training our gluteus maximus. 8. Inhale down. 9. One more. Bring it down. 10. Woo, shake it out. All right. Now, we're going to go back to parallel. So that's with your toes straight forward. Keep hold and just watch first, okay? All you're going to do is shift your weight to one side a little bit and pick up a leg. It doesn't have to be this high. You might be here. You might be just your tippy toe. Whatever is going to work for you. And then bring it down. And then the other side. Maybe tippy toe, a little higher, all the way up. Bring it down. Here's the trick. when you pick up that leg, you've got to squeeze the opposite butt cheek, okay? So what happens is we pick up the leg and we go like this. And then our butt goes this way and our knee goes that way, and then we have a problem, okay? So we gotta squeeze the butt this way, bring the knee that way, and then, oh, look at how much strength and power you have. It's very easy. I'm being sarcastic. All right, so as you pick up the leg, I want you to squeeze the opposite butt cheek forward, and we're gonna do 10 sets, okay? Nice and tall. Inhale, exhale, pick up the leg, squeeze the opposite butt cheek, and bring it down. Pick up the other leg, and down. And squeeze one butt cheek, put the leg down, squeeze the other butt cheek, put it down. Good, this is 3. Pick up the leg, and down. Other leg, pick it up, and down. This is 4. Inhale, exhale. Good. Again, squeeze the butt and lower. Squeeze the other butt and lower. This is 6. Pick up the leg, lower. Pick up the leg, lower. And 7. Pick up the leg, lower. Pick up the leg, lower. And 8. Lower it down. Pick it up, lower it down. 2 more. Stay tall through the spine the whole time. Check your belly button out. Make sure it's still up and in. Last set. 10. And down. And 10. And down. All right, let's try something. Pick up that one leg. Make sure your buns are squeezing. Now, balance. Take off a hand. See how it works. Grab on. Lower down. Let's try the other side. Pick up the other leg. Make sure the butt cheek is squeezing forward. Energy up to the sky. Hand off. Put it down and bring that leg down. Well, I hope you're still up on 2 feet. Fantastic work. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this information valuable. You can find me online at www.upsidedownpilates.com, youtube.com/upsidedownpilates, and Instagram, LisaOrig_upside-down. If you found this information exciting and you want to learn more, you can go to the website and download my free Ultimate Joint Pain Eliminator Quick Start Guide. So it's there for you. Go to the website, enter your email address, and I'll shoot it right off to you, and you can learn even more about how to eliminate your joint pain. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Aloha! Upside Down Pilates uninterrupted with no commercials or ads. You can watch all the full 1-hour episodes of Upside Down Pilates on all your devices. Visit www.upsidedownpilates.com to sign up now.